September the 11th, 2001. I can't believe it's already been 22 years. I remember it like it was yesterday. At the time, I was already a member of the Ohio National Guard and a college student working a full-time job. I remember getting up for work that day and hearing something on the radio about a plane that had crashed into the World Trade Center in New York City. At the time, we didn't know what kind of plane had crashed, and everybody was assuming it was a recreational pilot flying through the city and made a critical mistake. The idea that we were under attack was too far-fetched to believe. I rode a motorcycle to work back then. I remember getting on the bike and thinking, what a beautiful day this is. The skies were clear, the temperature was in the 70s. It was absolutely perfect. I remember thinking it might be one of my last good riding days of the year before the Ohio fall and winter took over. I got to work and I found everybody watching the news. During my ride, a second plane had crashed into the second tower. At this time, we knew this was no random act. We were under attack. The restaurant I was working at made the decision to close for the day. I went home and immediately began packing my bags, because I knew I would be getting a call. I remember going out to dinner with a couple of close friends, wondering if we would ever have the opportunity to do that again. Soon thereafter, I was called up to active duty, and off I went to war. I'll never forget how it felt back then. One day I was wearing my uniform while pumping gas in my car. People were driving by, honking their horns and yelling things like, "Go kick some ass!" The country was so united back then. Everybody vowed they would never forget. Everybody knew we were under attack because of our way of life, and everyone promised not to change. Everyone promised they would not forget what happened that day, and they would never forget how they felt. When I look around the country today, I believe too many people have forgotten. We're hardly the United States anymore. Look no further than our elections that teeter by 1% or less. It doesn't get much more divided than that, and a divided nation is a weak nation. This is exactly what Osama bin Laden wanted. I love this country more than just about anything else. I've spent my entire adult life defending her, and I am begging you, please keep your promise. You promised you would never forget.
I had one.
It's an international tourist place. Lots of people. There's not a plane coming down.
Holy
you see?
Shit, what the fuck is wrong with that?
Boom!
Oh man, what the fuck's going on?
Wow!
Oh shit!
Wow! Do you see this aircraft?
I've got it all.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, that's terrorist shit, bro.
That is it.
This is terrorist.
That's terrorist.
This is terrorist. Shoo! You saw that plane went into
What's this other jet doing? What's this other jet doing? Holy fuck!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus fucking Christ! Chris, are you...
Don't touch it.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no!
Oh my god!
Oh my
Get my back.
You okay?
Please. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Watch out, watch out. I got it.
Situation that started bad just gets
Anthony, watch me. I thought it was the third plane though. No, the third plane. The whole top came off. The whole top came off. And then the smoke, all of a sudden I seen the smoke fall. I was like,
I was standing next to the lieutenant, and I couldn't. All of a sudden, I couldn't see him. We were under the truck. The top came off.
I'm taking American Death Insurance.
Anybody need some water? I expected 8x10 glossy. I know.
Where are we even going?
we got to get you to the medical station so you can get your eyes cleaned out and I can go back.
I'm in ground zero. I managed to get in. I have the most amazing pictures to take. You've never seen anything like this in your life. There are cars burning all over the place. This is two World Trade Centers on the ground. I'm level right here, ground level. I'm gonna try to take some still photos. Trees were rooted, knocked down. It was unbelievable.
Dude, this is worse than Pearl Harbor.
Fire trucks, windows blown out, buried in debris. Car just blew up. God bless America. I've never seen anything like this, my dear Jesus. This is the World Trade Center on the floor. Words cannot express what I feel, what has been done to this country. Nobody will ever know.
The nation sends its love and compassion to everybody who is here. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for making the nation proud. And may God bless America.
Tonight we come together for the first regular season professional sporting event in New York City since Tuesday, September 11th. We return to our national pastimes, in part to show that America can and will go on. But before we begin our game, we will pause to remember the victims of those terrible attacks, their families, and the thousands of rescue workers, volunteers, and Good Samaritans who have shown that America can be at her best in the most difficult of times. Our colors tonight are being presented by a joint color guard consisting of New York's Police Department, Fire Department, Emergency Medical Service, Port Authority Police, and the New York State Court Officers Association. 5 agencies that lost rescue personnel when the World Trade Center towers collapsed. They are accompanied by the NYPD Pipers and a rifle team from the United States Marine Corps 6th Communication Battalion, based in Brooklyn, New York. Now entering from center field are groups representing many of the brave, committed men and women who've been working long, difficult hours as part of the rescue efforts going on at the World Trade Center. Please welcome members of the NYPD, New York Fire Department, Port Authority Police Department, New York State Court Officers, the San Francisco Fire Department Station 1, National Disaster Medical System DMORD, New York Hospital in Queens, St. John's Queens Hospital, Mary Immaculate Hospital EMS Division, and New York University Downtown Hospital. These rescue workers are joining the midshipmen around the giant flag in the same way that Americans from all walks of life have come together to help in the wake of these tragic events. Please remain standing for the singing of the Star-Spangled Banner, which was written by Francis Scott Key 187 years ago today. Our national anthem will be performed tonight by Mark Anthony.
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the
Thank you.